Okay. Okay. Alright. So there's a bird in the corner. Can you see it? I can't really see it.
You'll see it in a minute.
Uh,
Moving slowly. Just trying to open the window.
okay, don't like.
Shh, shh, shh. Don't scare it. It's gonna freak out.
Oh my gosh, I can see its tail. It's huge.
Now I just have to scare it so that it flies out.
Oh no, I feel bad. Oh, well, that's.
We had a few casualties.
Let's see. We have clean laundry all over the floor, crap everywhere, broken bottle in the corner. Oh, I think I just stepped on some glass.
Seriously?